All right, here we are. So the homework tonight is this packet, okay, from class. Oops, just show you the first answer. All right, so let's do this. Okay, now tonight's homework is the first four. So hold on, let me count. 1, 2, 12, 13, 14. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Right. It's four. It's four per night until Monday. Okay. So all right, let's start with number one, even though I didn't number it. All right. So number one. All right. So we're gonna go over each and every one of these, but hopefully do it in a quick way. So okay, now right off the bat, the equation is this. Now, as soon as I wrote this equation and I see that there are equations in the choices, I started looking at the choices A, B, C, and D. And as it turns out, none of that matches what I have. So here's what you do if you ever run into that. Start solving it. And as you start solving it, see what matches. Okay? Because sometimes these questions that I myself would never do in this manner is that they will ask you like what one of the intermediate steps are. So if you look at that, you see that it's choice B, right? Because here you got have 5x and you have to do 320 minus 70, and that's B, okay? So now if someone can give me a good reason as to why anyone would write a test where they want to test you if you know what the intermediate steps are, please let me know, because I don't see what choice B is like going to test you that, something like this wouldn't. All right. So, okay. All right. That's my rant for the day. Now, this second one, you got to distribute the negative sign. So negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. And then negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. Okay. And then I combine like terms and you're going to get 4x minus 3, okay, which is choice D. Okay, all right, let's keep going. Two more, 3. All right, the equation should look something like this. It should be 10.50x, right? Because it's 1050 per hour plus that one-time fee of 25.50. Now it's perfectly okay for you to use a calculator for this. All right. It's less than or equal to, right? At most, he can only spend 170. So you can spend 170 or less. All right, you solve it as usual, and that would be less than or equal to 13. All right, okay, 4. Now what is 4? Okay, all right, it's the same thing, right? $4 per bowling game plus the shoes, which is $5.25. Again, feel free to use a calculator. Less than or equal to, and he has how much to spend. Yep, same thing, $25 to spend. Okay, and you realize it's 4.9375. Now you got to understand the situation before you can round, right? So he has $25 to spend, so he can't go to 5. He will be just short of money. Okay, so it has to be 4. You have to round this down, otherwise he wouldn't have enough money. Okay, all right. So there we go. All right, those are the 4 questions tonight, plus the North Carolina packet. All right. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.
OMG, that was so good.